All right, so the next gardening soil that I found that I want to try this year for my gardening is back to the root. I have not seen this one before, but I found it at the store and I want to try it. So it says back to the root, natural and organic all-purpose potting mix, premium blend with nutrient-rich fertilizer and beneficial mycorrhizal. So I want to try this, and the reason why I even picked this when I try it is because it says this is also good for indoor and outdoor gardening, and I think that is something good because some of the soil you can only use it for only pots or in ground, and so this is both, so you can use this indoor, you can use this outdoor. Ideal for your herbs, fruits, veggies and flowers, so use in ground or in containers. So that is another bonus to this, so I like this and I'm going to give it a try to see. It says natural and organic grows bigger plants food, and then also it says it's all-purpose potting mix, so that is amazing, I think. And this is 1 cubic foot, and I actually bought 2 of them, and it is heavy. For some reason it is heavy. The other 2s are very light, but these ones are very, very heavy. So that is that one, and let's see the back. All right, so when we look, this is pretty heavy, very, very heavy. When we look at the back, we can see that all natural and organic all-purpose premium all-purpose potting mix. Under every great garden there is a better soil, I think. So it shows you the use, how to use it. So access our step-by-step planting guide by scanning the QR code, which is this one. So oh my goodness, that's heavy. All right, so here are how much soil do you need. It says in pot, 2 10-inch pot equals to 1 bag. So if you have 2 10 inches of pot to use, then that is equal one of these bags. So on the ground you need 8 square feet at 3 inches depth is equal to 2 bags. So it tells you measurements, and then if you are using this for in a raised bed or container, you need 4 square feet at 12 depth equals to 4 bags. So you just calculate how much you need, you see all that, and then get the bag accordingly. And then how to use it, it says access our step-by-step planting guide by scanning the QR code, which is this here, with a phone camera, or texting the soil FAQ to this number 29071, and then pour out soil on the ground. Pour 3 inch on top of native soil and then mix in. So if you are putting this in ground, you need to mix this with the soil, the ground soil, before planting. In containers, raised beds, hanging baskets, all you have to do is fill fully with potting mix, that's all. So in a pot, if you are planting in a pot, you don't need to mix it with any other soil, just this mix, and that's it. This garden mix is all you need. Planting from transplant, like if you already have the seedling and you are transplanting, you dig a hole and then 2 times as big as plant root ball, and then place your plant in the hole, and then with potting mix. So from seeds, follow your seeds instructions for proper spacing and depth per variety. So that's it. So add, all right, so you can add mulch if desired, and I think, I don't know, depending on how you see, you can add. So water regularly for best results. Feed after 30 days with organic plant food. So after using this, soil, which is the back to the root soil potting mix. After 30 days, you need to feed the plant with organic plant food. And then also, I think that's all I can see here. And so if you are new to gardening and you need to use this back to root gardening soil, you just follow the instructions. It's so easy to do, it's not hard at all. So that is my overview. Oh my goodness, it is heavy, really, really heavy. And so for the back to the root natural and organic all-purpose potting mix, so I don't know how it's gonna do. This is my first time going to try this, so we will see. I actually bought 2 bags to use and to see how it comes out. So each one of these is just 1 cubic foot each, and even this 1 cubic foot is really, really heavy than the other 2 potting mix that I have. So that, in a nutshell, that is the overview or the review of the gardening soil that you want to use for your pot. It's raining here, so I want to finish this video. So everything is wet, my hands is all dirty from the soil. You can see all that. So I think that's all about how to find the best gardening soil for your plants. It depends on your choice. I think it's just your preference. It doesn't really need to be hard. You can try. You try this year, it didn't do well. Next year, you try something different. So that's why I'm trying these out to see which one is going to do better or what difference it's going to make in the plant. And then I can decide if I want to continue using these or try something else, because there are so many gardening soil that you can use. There are so many of them. But this just attract to me because of the organic nature of them. You need your plant to taste good if you use organic soil and things like that. Organic plant food, organic soil, all that helps the fruit to grow well. So because I don't want to add any chemicals to my plants. So that's that for that. And then I will just show you all that I have now and we can move from there. And that's it. That's how I choose my potting mix. My best one I go to is the Miracle Grow, and then I found 2 different ones that I want to use this year. So I hope that helps you. If you are just a beginner into gardening and you have no idea where to start, just go ahead and just get any plants soil, gardening soil you can find which speaks well to you, and use it and try it out, and then you will know whether it's good or not. So that is my overview of the back to the root natural organic all-purpose potting mix.